Instagram introduced this new feature which automatically switches to the next reel when the current one ends. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it? Buckle up, guys, because we are diving into the rabbit hole of auto scroll. Let's explore its pros and cons faster than someone refreshing their feed after posting. This feature is like a digital thumb automatically moving to the next reel when the current one ends. Sounds convenient, but honestly, for me, it's not. I came across this feature recently and I think it's in beta testing mode. It does not scroll immediately after the reel is over. If you are rewatching it again, then it will give you auto scroll warning timer and a cancel option. I mean, how bored you need to be to let the phone take control over itself to just scroll some reels. Instagram might be testing this feature on users to see their engagement rate so that users can spend more time on their platform. But from the user's point of view, I don't see much of an advantage but more of a problem. This feature will lead people to spend more time on the platform as it will be more convenient for the users. It may cause information overload, addiction, distraction in daily routine, and a lot more. Well, it's a double tap situation. Auto scroll could be a blessing or a curse depending on viewing habits. But one thing for sure, it's changing how we consume reels. And that was my opinion on this new feature. I'll meet you guys in next one. Thank you for watching.